We are waiting for other members to join. How are you? Thank you, guys. Keep on waiting. We are waiting for other guys. If we can go to 10, the better. If you joined yesterday, I deposited $43.90 and we left these trades running yesterday. You can see that I closed $29 from them. I deposited yesterday. $43 deposited, $29 made. No loss. So today we want to talk about Eurusd. We are not on a step index. Today we are on Eurusd. This is our asset for today. So we are now 4. Let us wait for 6 more. Let's wait for another guys. Let us give them chance to come. Nine. The number is growing. Only one left. You can comment. You can keep on liking the video. Share the video again. Share the live, guys. Eurusd trading strategy 2025, how to trade Eurusd for beginners is our topic for today. We are on Eurusd. Yesterday we talked about step index. Today we are on Eurusd. And I think today we are going to use only 30 minutes. 6 members, 3 gone. Godwin Lengwe said, hi, how are you, Godwin? I'm all right, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Thank you for joining. I saw you yesterday, and today you are also available. Peter Kazingizi, good evening, Ironman. How are you, Mr. Kazingizi? I'm all right. I'm right. I'm okay. Thank you for asking. How are you, say? Solomon Sivanda. Hi. Thank you, Solomon. How are you, Solomon? We are 5. Other members are dropping. I don't know why. We reached 9. And now we are only 5. We want 10 is a good number, so that we can start. We want you to try by all means to make some profit. We are 8 now, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 8 members watching. This is Eurusd. Eurusd is the best pair for newbies, because most people, when they join online forex trading, they want quick bucks. So Eurusd is very volatile. It is very volatile. So today I will be looking at Eurusd, and then I will give notes on Eurusd. Those who want to learn will keep on learning. And I will be doing these lives on daily basis. Godwin said, I'm good, thanks. I'm anxiously waiting for today's lesson. I don't know why people are dropping like dust. We only have 3 members watching so far, and the number is keeping on scrolling up and down. Yes, keep on waiting. And this is our Eurusd at H4. This was selling for quite a long time. G1, H4. M30. Let me give them 1 minute more. At 7:30, we are going to start. We will start at exactly 7:30. We are almost 7 minutes into this streaming. I have another meeting. I have another lesson with Deriv partners. So around, we must be done by around 10 to 8. And it's now exactly 7:30. How are you guys? How are you traders? Thank you so much for joining today's lesson. Yesterday, we were on step index. So I know some of the guys, Peter was here, Kazingis, Godwin Lengwe, you were here, Solomon Sivanda, I think you were also here. So let me show you the account that I left yesterday. I deposited $43 yesterday, and I placed these trades step index with 0.1 lot size. And you can see I closed $29 yesterday, and I closed at it is showing 1931 plus 2 hours. It's 19:21. I closed these trades at 29 minutes to 10 yesterday. I think we dropped our session around 8 o'clock. So I was holding this for almost 2 hours yesterday. So there is power in holding. You can close your trades in profit, as you can see. Wow, that's a huge gain. Yes, I know that you were saying you were losing the trades, but if you can look at this one, you can simply see that there's no loss. If it was only one trade, I was supposed to get $11.90. I just added one yesterday, and then they were 2, and they gave me $29. And my account so far, I have $72. So today we are on Eurusd. That is our area for today. So when you are trading these currencies, mostly they are affected by news. So you need to be someone who is always on the calendars. We have news calendars, the likes of Bloomberg, the likes of investing.com, and many brokers as of now, they are also providing these calendars. So you need to keep checking news regularly, so that you won't just get into trades and then affected by news. If you look at this trade so far, this USD is selling for quite a longer time now. I think it's because of the interest cuts which were initiated by Donald Trump. So when you see this trend, for you to draw the trend line, I know there was someone who was saying, when I started online forex trading, I bought trade line for 15 USD. That is not good. There's no need for you to buy the trend line. So let me show you how to draw the trend line. You just go to this icon. For you to have this blue, you just click anywhere on the screen of your of the chart. After clicking the screen, you can get this blue circle, and then you go to this icon. After getting to this icon, you can simply go to, you can see all these are icons which are there for you to use. So if you click the plus sign at the top, this one, you can see all these assets which are available for you to use. We have the vertical line, we have the horizontal line, the trend line. This is mostly used by the traders, the trend line. So we have so many assets or icons for you to use. So I'm going to take the trend line. This is the one that I'm looking for as of now. So let me click the trend line. After clicking the trend line, you need to paste it anywhere here. So my trend line is at the top, you can see. And then you need to touch one of the balls and then you drag it like this. This is the trend line. There are rules that are supposed to be observed when you are drawing these trend lines. You don't need to do not cut the tails of the candlesticks. That is rule number 1. When you are drawing your candlesticks, do not cut the tails of the candlesticks. So if you see this line, you can easily tell and see that at this level, the movement of this graph was observing and was also respecting the resistance. Because if you see, it almost touched, and then it moves downwards. So this is it, guys. And we can also draw another trend line. Let me just draw the line at the bottom here. And this one can easily bounce back here. So this is how you analyze using the trend analysis. This is what we call trend analysis. This is the trend. So when people talk about the issue of breaking the lines, if it moves up here, it goes down, it moves up, because this same line, like in this situation, it is being resisted here and being supported to move downwards. So the same line can act as a resistance and support at the same time. It is resisting further upward movement and supporting downward movement. And this one is resisting downward movement and supporting upward movement. So that is the issue of support and resistance. So when it breaks up, there is what we call fake breakout. When it fakes the breakout, it can come back and go back again. But if it bounces here and goes back up, it means this is now a resistance line. It becomes the resistance zone, and you can automatically place a buy when it is like that. So other point that you need to know when you are dealing with Eurusd, whenever it is forced by news to move, let's say it is forced to move from this point. Let me screen write again. let's say it was forced to move from this point by news. Eurusd has a tendency to obey the force exerted by the news. But when the news effect is gone, because the news mostly affect the charts for 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 hours. So if the effect of the news is gone, it starts to go back to where it was forced from, meaning to say if it was forced from this region, it goes down as a spike and then it goes back to the original position. This is how Eurusd behaves. But so far, from what we are seeing right now, we can easily tell that this Eurusd is in the downward trend. Let me check other charts like H4. Let me check other charts. You can see that it is in the downward trend. If we can, let me remove this one. Yes, it is in the downward trend, because if we draw the trend line here, you can easily see that this thing is going down. When we talk of upward trend, we can have something like this. Let me take the same candlesticks at the same line, something like this. If it faces up, we can simply say it is going up. Remember the rule: you are not supposed to touch you are not supposed to cut the candlesticks when you are drawing the trend lines. Your lines must touch the tails, not cut them. Do not force the trends. The trends must speak for themselves, like this. So if we see something like this on this 4-hour time frame, for us to confirm it a buy, we need to see this candlestick. This candlestick must engulf this red candlestick, or it must have the board at the top, which is like the hammer, and we can confirm that we are now changing direction. But with this, there's no way we can declare that this one is now a buy. It's too early to declare that. So let me go to M30 again. I use M30 when it comes to the issue of analysis. I use M30. Let me place the trade, because when we are on this M30, there is a discord here. Let me show you. When we look at this, what is happening here? When we look at this, you can see this green candlestick here. The board is at the top. And also, we have these 2 red candlesticks, these ones. And we have this candlestick. So there's a possibility that this thing can change direction, but not for quite long, because this is not good enough to confirm change of direction. The downward trend can only be forced up by news which can lead to reduction in value of USD. So far, as it stands now, it is safe for us to place a buy stop. When you want to place a buy stop here, you can simply place it here at 1.0 1.15663. Side that can you please use the point? I can't see where you are pointing. Are you not seeing where I'm writing? Let me check. I'm writing on the screen. Oh, you are not seeing it. Sorry for that. I was thinking that it is taking my screen because it's a screen recorder. Because I'm using my pencil to point, but it is not showing you anything. Understood? So how best can I do it? How best can I do it? Let me see. How can I help you? Let me try to see if it is possible to open a screen recorder here.